Hello guys, welcome to another video of Fine Lens unboxing. Here I will unbox Samsung M51, the most awaiting phone of this segment. Check this unboxing and after that I will post a 1 week review. So check this review as well. So let's start it. So this is the product I have received from Amazon. You can see here Samsung M51. So classy looking cover, and here's a seal. Check it out guys. Yeah, this is the seal here, and whenever you order any phone and any equipment, just check the seals first. So everything looks good and nothing inside the packet, you can see. So now just open this box and let's check. Guys, this is the phone. Samsung M51. So let's see what inside the box. Okay, so this is the phone. Keep it aside. Along with that is the charger, 25-watt fast charging, and this is the charging cable. So it seems quite small, the charging cable. Let's check outside and just check. Yeah, this charging cable is not long enough. Okay, and you can see this is the variant. It's blue variant with some white combination of charger. So I guess can Samsung provide this kind of white thing pretty fast. And this is the kind of everything here. So nothing else. So let's check the other stuff here. Okay, this is this thing, the SIM ejector tool, some quick start guide. That's all. That's the thing we are receiving in the box. No headphone, nothing. This device has 2.2 GHz plus 1.8 GHz Qualcomm SD730G octa-core processor, AI game booster, 6GB plus 128GB variant, 7000 mAh battery, 25-watt fast charging. This device is 9.5mm sleek device. If you are considering 7000 mAh battery, then for that point of view, this device is very sleek. The biometric authentication in the side fingerprint section. Super AMOLED Plus Infinity O display. This device has Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. So this is disappointing guys. 25,000 price point, we are expecting at least a Gorilla Glass 5, but here we are getting like Gorilla Glass 3 protection. 32 megapixel front camera. The another great features here is a single ding multiple output. So I will show you this feature later point of time. 64 megapixel camera. The primary camera is 64 megapixel, and other than that there is a 12 megapixel, 5 megapixel and another 5 megapixel camera. So 64 is a primary megapixel, 12 is a ultra wide camera, 5 is a depth sensing camera, and another 5 is a macro camera. So this is it. This is the entire specification of this device. If you like this unboxing, please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.